everyone, and welcome to our video. Today, we're diving into some interesting questions provided by Group 4 to help us better understand our topic. Well, let's explore these questions and share insights to make everything clear and easy to follow. Stick around, and this is going to be both fun and informative.
Okay, so we will now answer the other group's questions. So we have the first question. How does the integration of indigenous practices into mainstream cultural narratives challenge or reinforce existing power dynamics in historical discourse? So our group's answer is integrating indigenous practices into mainstream cultural narratives has the potential to both challenge and reinforce existing power dynamics in historical discourse. On the other hand, recognizing and respecting indigenous knowledge and perspectives can help to decentralize Western-centric narratives and challenge dominant power structures. So, by bringing underrepresented voices to the forefront and acknowledging the importance of indigenous cultures and histories, so these practices can help decolonize historical discourse and provide a platform for marginalized communities to assert their agency and share their truth. Also, another thing, integrating indigenous practices into mainstream cultural narratives can also reinforce existing power dynamics if not done carefully and respectfully. So for example, if indigenous knowledge is appropriated without proper attribution or understanding, it can perpetuate colonial and imperialist narratives and reinforce existing power imbalances. So similarly, mainstream cultural narratives continue to prioritize and elevate Western perspectives over indigenous ones. So in that case, integrating indigenous practices can inadvertently reinforce the status quo and perpetuate the dominant cultural and social hierarchies. That's all for the first question.
Now let us move on to the second question. Here is the second question. Why is the critical evaluation of oral histories essential for addressing the biases and gaps in the traditional written historical record? So, oral histories play a crucial role in historical research as they provide unique insights and perspectives that may not be found in written records. However, it is important to critically evaluate oral histories to address biases and gaps in the traditional written historical record. So our group have come up with 5 key reasons why this is important. And these are the biases, gaps, contextualization, inclusivity, and lastly, the counter-narratives. Now, for the biases, oral histories are influenced by human biases such as selective memory, cultural background, and personal experiences, which can impact the accuracy and completeness of the information being relayed. And now the second one, we have gaps. Oral histories can fill in gaps in the historical record by providing information that may not be found in written sources. And the third one, we have contextualization. By critically evaluating oral histories, historians can contextualize them within their broader social and historical context, allowing for a more nuanced understanding of the events and experiences being relayed. And the fourth one, we have the inclusivity. Oral histories can provide a platform for marginalized voices to share their experiences and their perspectives, which may not be represented in traditional written history. And lastly, we have the counter-narratives. Oral histories provide an opportunity to challenge and expand upon traditional narratives and offer alternative perspectives that were previously silenced or ignored.
The third question is what strategies can be employed to effectively promote and raise awareness of lesser-known local historical and cultural assets within a community? So yes, here our answer of Group 1. So several strategies can be employed to effectively promote and raise awareness of lesser-known local historical and cultural assets within a community is first, community engagement and outreach. So engaging and partnering with local community organizations, schools, and business can help to create a broader network of support and reach. So the second one is the digital and social media. So utilizing digital platforms such as websites, social media, and online forums can help to reach a wider audience and promote awareness of local historical and cultural assets. So the third one is the events and workshops. So organizing events such as tours, lectures, and workshops can help to engage the community and provide an opportunity to learn about local history and culture. So the fourth one is the collaborative projects. So partnering with local organizations, schools, and artists can help to create and disseminate content that showcases local history and culture such as documentaries, films, books, or exhibitions. So the last one is the traditional media. So utilizing traditional media such as newspaper, radio, and television can help to reach a wider audience and promote awareness of local historical and cultural assets. So that's all the answer of number 3. Thank you.